Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco X6 Pro 5G. For that we will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can send a screenshot directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now in the preview, by the way, you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, pretty nice, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After, just tap in the checkbox and it will be part of your gallery. And there's a second way to take a screenshot. And for that, just scroll down right next to the camera. Then you have some shortcuts here. Tap on the scissor icon and you're having a screenshot as well. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. So just swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Also pretty nice is if you long press the 3 fingers here, you have also the chance to cut out something directly. Just going on save and it will be part of your gallery. And apropos gallery, where are your screenshots? Of course, at the gallery. And here the photos, they're mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with the camera. So this is why I recommend to you to go always to the albums, because here we have a folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.